Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your email is confirmed and identity verification passed. Next, add a payment method so activation won't stall. A corporate card or invoice terms work. Then, access the Azure portal with an admin account that has rights to create subscriptions. Once done, open Subscriptions and choose Add. I'll guide you through selecting an offer and linking it to your Azure Active Directory tenant to ensure proper billing and governance. Now you configure specifics. Pick the right offer, pay as you go for flexibility or enterprise terms for committed discounts. Choose the billing scope and assign a clear subscription name so teams can find it. Make sure to select or create a management group if you need organizational hierarchy. Crucially, assign at least one owner and appropriate RBAC roles. This prevents lockout and enforces least privilege. Once these values are validated, click Create and wait for the provisioning operation to complete. Complete activation by verifying the subscription status is enabled, and billing shows an active payment method. You should immediately sign in using the owner account to confirm RBAC access and deploy a small test resource to validate provisioning. Make sure quotas and service limits meet your needs and apply tags or policies for cost tracking and governance. If anything fails, check billing notifications and the tenant's directory settings to resolve errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.